Death, whether expected or sudden, it is unfair. It is unfair not only to the person who passes away, but also to the ones who are left behind. And unfortunately, we are all going to experience this loss of losing a loved one in our life at some stage. Our reaction to this loss is grief. And grief encompasses feelings from deep sadness to anger and from guilt to regret. Grief does not have a timeline for feeling the pain, nor is it possible to avoid the suffering. In fact, the more you suppress and deny the grief, it is likely to prolong. But grieving when you lose a loved one is natural. In fact, it's a forward step to your healing journey. Though you may not feel it like that in that moment, but it is. Healing is possible, but it takes a lot of time and patience. But grieving is also a very individual experience. There's no right or wrong way of handling the death of a loved one. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 stages of grief which will help you understand that what you are going through is natural and you will heal in time. The first stage of grief is denial. You don't want to believe that it is happening. Your self-talk may include statements like, I cannot believe this is happening to me. The second stage is anger, where the pain of the loss is redirected through anger. Your self-talk would include statements like, why is this happening to me? And who is to be blamed for it? The third stage is bargaining, where you want to hold on to hope and you're ready to do anything or sacrifice anything to get the person back. Your self-talk may include statements like, make this not happen and I will do this in return. The fourth stage is depression, which is not the mental health condition, instead a natural feeling of sadness. You'll interact less and you will not reach out to people. You may say things like, I'm too sad to do anything. And finally, acceptance. This doesn't mean that you've forgotten and you've moved on. It's just that you stopped resisting and you started accepting the reality of the situation and even stopped struggling to make it any different. Exploring these 5 stages might help you understand and put into context your own grieving process and what you are feeling. You can also help somebody who is going through a grieving process. But remember, there is no right or wrong way of grieving. You might not even experience these feelings and these stages in this order. These 5 stages are just a reference and not a rule. Grieving is natural and unavoidable. You may never get over your grief, but you can always learn to manage and cope up with your grief and go on in your life. Your grieving process is your very own, and everybody responds to it differently. But what you need to remember is be kind to yourself, and one day you will wake up and find that the pain is less and realize life can go on.